Hey guys, Dr. Callahan here. Welcome to ProbStats for week 4 Tuesday. Go ahead and pause the video for your warm-up. Question number 1 says you have 15 more weeks to go. Some students take this time to do better and catch up, others not so much. Why is that? What are their reasons? Question number 2 and 3 is going to be right here, and it is describing a pattern in the sequence and predicting the next 3 numbers. All right, let's take a look at number 2. For number 2, if you take a look at the breakdown of how this pattern goes, it's going from 1, 4, 9, 16. Hopefully at this point you know that they're perfect squares, such as 1 squared is going to be 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So the next one should be 5 squared, which is 25, 36, 49. For the next one, you should realize that these are perfect squares as well, but it's more like square root of. Like, for example, square root of 121 is 11, square root of 100 is 10, square root of 81 is 9, square root of 64 is going to give you an 8, square root of 49 is going to give you a 7, and square root of 36 is going to give you a 6. All right, your homework was on your textbook right here, and it was simply just one question. And here are your answers. And if you take a look at this part right here, so it says a survey of 120 college students was taken at the registration of those surveys. 75 students registered for a math course, 65 for English, and 40 for both math and English. So 40 should be right here. You know that 75 register for a math, so I would do 75 minus 40, which is going to give you a 35. And you should also have 65 for English, so minus 40 is going to give you a 25. Given the fact that there are 120 students, you're going to take 120 students minus the 25, minus the 35, minus the 40. And so you should have a total of negative 50, 60. So 120 minus 100, which gives you 20. That's going to be your U. So there are 20 students who did not register for any math, English, or a combination of either. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Question A, how many register for only a math course? Only a math course means it's just going to be in math. It's not going to be shared with English, and that's 35. B says how many register for English course? That's going to be 25. It's not including the 40. It's not including registering for both classes. It's just simply English. For C, how many register for a math or an English course, in which case you would include just math, just English, and you would include math and English. So this will just be just math, just English, math, and English. So a total of 100. And last one is how many did not register for either math course or English course. Well, that's one where we did, where you took 120 students, because that's the total number of students surveyed, minus the ones that just took math, minus 25 students that just took English, and then minus 40 that took both math and English, which gives you a 20 at the end, and that's your answer. Do keep in mind that you need to do your homework on a regular basis, and when you are completed with it, when I see you guys in person, make sure you are turning that in. All right, so for today, you guys do have a quiz on 2.4, which is going to be on Venn diagrams. You're going to be turning in the entire packet. If I see you online right now, make sure you turn that packet into me the next time I see you, which will be tomorrow. I'm going to give you guys a folder, write your name on the folder, and I'm going to put them into a box, and it's going to be on top of the laptop cart. This is where you're going to be keeping your notes for the remaining of the school year. So make sure you turn in the first unit's packet and then take in the second unit. Your homework tonight is going to be on 11.1. It is going to be 2 to 22. Make sure you guys go to the Google Doc for ProbStats and scroll down to week 4, Tuesday, because you don't have textbook, but I do have a picture of it on there. So you're welcome to go ahead and do this on a separate piece of paper, pause the video, and go ahead and answer the following questions. It is really just 5 questions. This is actually a copy of the other quiz, so you can ignore this part. It's the same thing. So 5 questions, multiple choice. Go ahead and pause it. You do, however, need to show me your work as to how you got to the answer. Okay, I hope you guys are ready to go ahead and correct it. Your answer is D-D-A-A-D. So it kind of spells like dad. It is going to be worth 1 point apiece, a total of 5. Make sure you show your work, especially if you're online. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day.